Welcome to App Shortcut. Hi everyone, in this video, we'll explore how to delete an Instagram post step by step. Make sure to watch the entire video without skipping, so you don't miss any important details. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Instagram account. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture. Step 3. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. Step 4. Select your activity. Step 5. Tap on Posts. Step 6. Select the post you want to delete. There are two ways to do this. Either long press on the post or click on the Select button at the top right. Choose the method that works best for you. Step 7. Tap Delete at the bottom right. Step 8. Confirm by tapping Delete again. Step 9. Finally, check if the post has been successfully deleted. To check if it has been completely deleted, click the arrow on the top left, then click Posts again. If nothing appears, the post has been successfully deleted. Let us know in the comments if this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to App Shortcut. See you in the next video. Thank you.